Hey y'all, I'm in the kitchen about to fix some lunch, right? And I got some leftover ribs and I got a potato. So my plan is I want to warm these ribs up, but I didn't want to put them in the microwave. So what I'm about to do is I got a little water right here and I'm gonna add barbecue sauce to it. I'm just experimenting up something. I'm trying to warm this up different, you know. Okay. Let me get my tongs real quick. Okay, so I got my barbecue sauce mixed in my water here. And I didn't want to just put the ribs in water. That's why I'm putting the barbecue sauce. And the ribs don't have no barbecue sauce on them. So this will be the sauce too that they be heating up in. Alright. Without losing flavor, basically. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna get this here's just the bone part of the ribs. That's my favorite part anyway. So I'm just warming that up. That's just like the riblets of the ribs. And then we got, yeah, that's another piece right there. Then I got a little rib there. And I'm just getting all this here warmed up. Like a piece of neck bone. I'm just warming all this here up right here like this. That's some more little neck bone pieces. That is a little piece of rib there. Then there's a sausage and some pork chop here. I save these for tomorrow and I end up doing the same thing to them. Okay, so I'm gonna warm that up like that. I'm gonna add some more water to it to cover it up. And then I'm gonna let it just warm up and cook down in that sauce. So when the sauce starts thickening back up on it, then that's when I'm gonna say it's ready. But I'm gonna add a little more barbecue sauce to the top of this while it's cooking. Like that right there. Kind of feel like I want to add, should I add like a little seasoning or something? Let me add a little onion powder to it. A little onion powder. And that's all I'm going to put. Because I don't want to make it salty or nothing. So we're just going to warm that down up like that. So now for the potato, put the foil on this one. Okay, so now for this here potato, let's see. Okay, so I need another skillet. That's gonna be a lot of potato too, but I'm gonna do half of it. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna do half of that, but I am gonna cook up some bacon to go in it. So we're going to put some bacon down to fry up. Alright, we're going to fry up the bacon. Now we're going to take this baked potato. I'm not going to take it out the skin or nothing. But I am going to cut half of that. And then this half, I'm just going to dice it up. Okay, so now we're going to got some onion here. Alright, I'll rinse this off real quick. Okay. So now, flip this one over. Okay, I'm going to flip this over. Brown up this bacon. Need to go and get the seasoning ready. This is good. Get me a plate. Almost ready, like I wanted it. Okay, so you don't want to burn your pan because when you take our onion, cut it right up in there. saute them up. Knock that raw taste off on them. Alright, so now gonna add the potato in. Then we're gonna put some seasoning. Onion powder, garlic powder, mix this around. Fry it up like that right there with them onions. And then I'm going to add a little water so that steam can warm it all the way through. And mix that seasoning around on them. Okay, so we got a little water. That's looking good right now. I might don't let it get thick. Look good to me. Alright. So now we're going to put some cheese on it and let it melt. Let that melt down. I'll set it baking up on it. That look good right there now. Oh yeah, these good, huh? Yeah. Put a little seasoning in it. You just had it. Hang on in there. Hold on, I gotta get some more. Okay. Put a little seasoning in there. Oh yeah, that's ready. Look at that. Got a nice little barbecue lunch going on here. Let me plate that up for you. Look at that, y'all. Delicious. Gonna put some sour cream on top of them potatoes. Look at that. Imagine how good that's gonna be with a dollop of sour cream. All right, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all what I was hooking up for my lunch today. If you got you some leftovers, you might can redo your leftovers and make it something good for dinner. All right, y'all. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'm out.